Hey guys, in this video I'm just going to share how to find that Roman value for this any numerical number. So I'm just going to use the same formula. You can get it from here, and here equal to Roman, see here, and the number. I'm going to select this. See the Roman number for Roman value for 1947 is this. So either you can copy and paste it here, because this value is right. Roman value will come under only 9999, I guess, because Roman value is only up to I think 3999 is the last one, I guess. Yes. So if I put 4000 also, it will not work. So until 3999, I don't know why it is that, but I just want to show this. So here same thing, I want to find the Roman font number 10, because it should be very easy, the text. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here. I'm going to copy paste it here for 2015. Yes, that's it. This is a simple thing you can find easily. Convert that any numbers up to 3999 to Roman value. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.